A data lake that enables a single source of truth is essential for today's businesses that need real-time insights. A Fortune 500 food manufacturing company wanted to build a strong data foundation by creating a centralized, harmonized, and accessible data lake that integrated campaign, point of sale, and marketing spends data. With their huge global reach, they were operating with massive marketing spends, and they wanted to enable their marketing team to automate the data collection, storage, and improve data quality for faster and accurate analysis. They also wanted user-friendly visualizations for both senior leaders and campaign managers. Such a system would help them optimize their marketing ROI. There were over 30 data sources relating to media spend, product hierarchy, and marketing performance. The data collection was manual, and the marketing mix modeling had a long cycle time, leading to no significant improvements in ongoing campaigns. Sigmoid built data models to explore the input data from these different channels and standardize them. This also involved liaising with different agencies to agree on optimal file formats and exchange mechanisms. We built automated pipelines to pull the data via SFTP and UI portals. The extract, transform, and load pipeline was accomplished using AWS Glue to be then served through Amazon Redshift. The datasets, which came at different intervals of time, were then transformed to work with the respective data models. Tableau dashboards were built to provide executive stakeholders a 360-degree view of the ad spend. Campaign managers could then drill down to get granular insights on campaigns. This solution resulted in creating a single source of truth for the client, who could now reliably measure marketing effectiveness, with data automatically ingested from multiple data sources. So, if you're looking to build a centralized data foundation with real-time reporting and analytics, Sigmoid is your ideal partner. Reach out to us at marketing@sigmoid.com or visit our website to know more.